This is recording for lab1 EE533 TCP server and client lab. And first, this is the setting of the virtual machine 1, the client, and it got 2 network adapter. And first is a custom virtual machine network 2 and a bridge network. The bridge network adapter is used to connect to the host to the internet, and the custom 2 is to connect the virtual machine to the host machine. The host virtual machine setting looks like the client. It also connect to the host and to the internet, and also have the virtual machine network to the local network, which connect to the client. Now around the two virtual machine. As a host, we need to have the server. The server code is here. With the enhanced server code, we have the multiple processors, which can handle more client without close the socket. And this is a client source code. Both of it will be uploaded to the GitHub. And first, we need to check the connection of the network. This is a bridge network, and this is the local network. We need to remember this server IP and the ASI client. The virtual machine network 2 is this one. Now we have to compile the source code. And start. We select 5002 as a port, and it's going into the listening mode, waiting for a client. Okay, we also need to compile the client field. And start it. And also choose the 5002 as a connection port. And here we need to enter some message. And we can start that the server got the message, and at the server we got the message hello world, and this is for the multiple process server, so we can keep listening and which means we can also have a new client simultaneously. So I open a new terminal and also ran the client code. And both have a message. And the server got these two messages. And this is for the enhanced server, which can handle multiple client simultaneously. And this is also for the TCP and the same thing for the UDP. This is the UDP source code. Instead of using the connect and the write, the read, it used the receive from and the sign to write and listen the message. And it will also be uploaded to GitHub. And now we compile this file. And run it on the server. We choose the 5003 as a port this time and make it to the listen mode. And now we have the client UDP and also use the send to and receive from as the function. And now we have to compile it too. And run it. We choose the 5003. Okay. We leave a message here. And the server got the message. And this is for the UDP. And also, this is for the Unix domain. And this is the source code. Under the Unix mode, we can have the location communications, which means we don't need to use the virtual machine net 2. We can directly use the file path as the IP address. Here is the type EE533 533 Unix stock, which means we can just use this file as a socket. Let me present it. So first, we need to compile this file, the EU server. And also the client. We have the client and the server on the same host because we don't need to use the internet. We directly use our system itself. So this is the source code. Okay. And we need to start it. We choose the port 5004. Okay, it's not the server, it's a typo. So let me recompile this file and make it execution file to the server and start it. Okay, we can see that the Unix domain server listening on the temp EE533 Unix socket, and we can use this plus as a address. So we need to open another terminal here and run the client. And we directly leave the message here and also the hello world string. And we can see that the server got the message. And this is for the Unix test.